Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about the place I want to visit the most is in Cambodia Country. It is a beautiful and exciting destination with so many things to see and do. A place I want to visit. There are many beautiful places in the world. Some people want to visit mountains, some want to visit beaches, and others want to explore big cities. I also have a dream place that I want to visit one day. The place I want to visit the most is Angkor Wat of Cambodia Country. Why I want to visit this place? I want to visit Angkor Wat of Cambodia Country because it is a very special and beautiful place. I have seen many pictures and videos of this place, and it looks amazing. Many people say that it is one of the most wonderful places in the world. I have read stories and watched movies about this place, and it makes me want to go there even more. The beauty of the place. I love looking at pictures of this place because it looks so magical and beautiful. One of the most famous things about Angkor Wat of Cambodia Country is beautiful temples in the world. It is located in Cambodia, a country in Southeast Asia. Many people visit Angkor Wat every year because it is an amazing place with a long history. It is also the largest temple in the world and an important symbol of Cambodia. This landmark is very popular, and many tourists visit it every year. It would be a dream come true to see it with my own eyes. What I want to do there. When I visit Angkor Wat of Cambodia Country, I want to do many exciting things. First, I want to visit around that temple and also go to the famous place. It will be a wonderful experience. Next, I want to describe another activity, e.g., try traditional food, take beautiful pictures, go shopping, etc. I have heard that the food in Angkor Wat is very delicious, and I want to try it. Some of the famous dishes are lok lok, pork and rice, Khmer noodles, etc. Lok lok is a tasty Cambodian stir-fried beef dish. The beef is cooked with a special sauce and served with rice, vegetables, and a dipping sauce made from lime and black pepper. Some places also serve lok lok with a fried egg on top. This is a simple and delicious Cambodian breakfast. It is grilled pork with rice, served with pickled vegetables and soup. The pork is marinated and grilled until it is juicy and flavorful. This is a famous Cambodian noodle dish. The noodles are served with a light fish curry sauce and fresh vegetables like cucumbers, bean sprouts, and herbs. Many people eat this for breakfast. I also want to visit Pub Street, Kulin Mountain. These places are in the same province of Angkor Wat. I love adventures, and this place will be so much fun. I want to take many pictures to remember my trip forever. Learning about the culture. One of the most exciting things about traveling is learning about different cultures. Every country has a unique culture, traditions, and festivals. I want to learn about the people in Cambodia and how they live. I want to see their traditional clothes, hear their language, and understand their way of life. If I visit Angkor Wat, I will also try to learn some words in their language. For example, in Japan, France, Spain, etc., I think learning a few words like hello, thank you, and goodbye will help me talk to the people there. Exploring nature and adventure. Besides cities and famous landmarks, I also want to see the natural beauty of Angkor Wat. There are many beautiful mountains, rivers, forests, lakes, etc., that I want to explore. I have seen pictures of Angkor Wat and it looks so peaceful and beautiful. If I get a chance, I would also love to try some adventure activities there. Some fun activities include climbing, adventure, etc. It will be an unforgettable experience. Meeting new people. One of the best things about traveling is meeting new people. When I visit Angkor Wat, I hope to make new friends. I want to talk to the local people and learn about their daily lives. Meeting people from different cultures helps us understand the world better. If I meet someone who also loves traveling, we can share our experiences and learn from each other. Making friends from different parts of the world is a special experience. Shopping for souvenirs. Whenever people travel to a new place, they like to buy souvenirs. A souvenir is a special item that reminds you of your trip. When I visit Angkor Wat, I want to buy traditional clothes, postcards, handmade crafts, etc. These souvenirs will remind me of my amazing trip. I also want to bring gifts for my family and friends. I think they will be happy to receive something from a different country. Trying traditional food. One of the most exciting parts of traveling is trying new food. Every country has its own special dishes. In Cambodia, some famous foods are lok lok, pork and rice, Khmer noodle, etc. I am excited to taste the delicious food and experience new flavors. I also want to try street food, local desserts, traditional drinks, etc. Eating food from different cultures is an adventure in itself. Taking pictures and making memories. I want to take many pictures during my trip. Pictures help us remember special moments. I will take photos of famous places, beautiful landscapes, traditional food, etc. I will also take pictures with the people I meet. Later, I can look at my photos and remember all the wonderful experiences. Maybe I will also write a travel diary to keep all my memories. How I plan to visit this place. Traveling to another country requires planning. First, I need to save money for my trip. Traveling can be expensive, so I have to plan my budget. Next, I need to learn about Angkor Wat, including the best time to visit, the weather, and the places to see. I will also check for important things like visas, travel documents, flight tickets, hotels, etc. I also want to learn some basic words in the local language. This will help me communicate with people when I visit. My dream of traveling the world. Visiting Angkor Wat is my biggest dream. But I also want to travel to other places. There are many beautiful countries in the world, and each one has something unique to offer. After visiting Angkor Wat, I hope to explore other famous places like Japan, Italy, Egypt, Thailand, etc. Traveling is a great way to learn and grow as a person. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.